Okay, so I had to break it up into two videos because my phone was just stopped that video. So just now I was just saying that this would be the widest, and then this would be the second one, and then the 2x squared would be the narrowest. The negatives do not matter when it comes to the width of the parabola. Remember, the negatives just have to do whether it's opened upwards or downwards. So now we're graphing y equals ax squared plus c. So it just shows the difference. If you have y equals 2x squared and then y equals 2x squared plus 3, the parabola is just moved up. Your vertex is not at the origin like it would be if it was just y equals ax squared, but it's moved up 3 places. Your vertex is now right here. So the term c in a quadratic function translates the graph up or down. So let's take a look at what you guys are going to be doing for homework today. Identify the vertex of each graph. Tell whether it is a minimum or a maximum. Well, this is pretty easy. 1, 3, 4, and 6, because they're all in this form. Y equals ax squared. So you know each of the vertexes are going to be right at the origin. So you can just go ahead and do 0, 0 for all of these, because if it had a c on there, like 5x squared plus 3, then we know the vertex would not be right at 0, 0. But these ones are all ax squared. And then you know if it's opened upward or downward based on if it's a positive or negative a. So this a is a negative, so we know that the parabola opens downward. So we know this one has a maximum. So your answer for this one would just simply be 0, 0, maximum. And let's do this one. This is a positive a, so again, 0, 0. This is a positive a, so we know the parabola opens upwards. Therefore, it is a minimum. So that's all you have to do for 1 through 6. For 7 through 12, just like we were just talking about, the width. So as the a increases, the width decreases. So you're ordering the quadratic function from widest to narrowest. So x squared or 1x squared would be the widest. And then you would go to obviously 3. And then 5x squared would be the most narrow. So 1, 2, 3. For 13 through 26, you are graphing each function. Let me just show you an example. I did number 13. So all you have to do is just make a little table, 0, 1, and 2. You can use these same values for every single one. Just making sure it's in the camera, 0, 1, and 2. And then you just plug it into your equation. So 0 squared is 0, 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4. So here's your sets of points. Graph them. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4. And then remember, you don't even need to put any negative values in for x because you can just find the corresponding point on the other side of the line of symmetry. So this one was 2, 4, so negative 2, positive 4. This one was 1, 1, so negative 1, positive 1. And then you can just draw your parabola. This looks more like a V, but you get the point. Again, since it's just y equals x squared, it's just in this formula. Your point is right at your origin. For ones that are going to be like this, the same thing, you just plug them in the same way. You make your table, you plug them in, but you will just notice your vertex is going to be either a little bit above or a little bit below your origin. So hopefully this explains it for you guys. You're just responsible for this page for today. We will go over it tomorrow, and just let me know if you guys have any questions. Just comment in my blog or send me an email. Sorry I had to split this up into 2 videos, but it's just the way it worked this morning. So, all right guys, have a good day. I'll talk to you later.